This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Marilyn Kistler. A rarely available 11th floor waterfront residence now available. Enter from your private elevator to your foyer and immediately see the unit's endless views and open floorplan soaring ceilings with plank tile flooring throughout living area and a chef's delight kitchen. Elegant and sizable master suite with tranquil water view, includes 2 walk-in closets, custom bath with his and hers vanities. 2 oversized ensuites with private custom baths and private study, which can be 4th bedroom. Enjoy outstanding sunset, river views from the expansive attached terrace. This entertainer's dream has a resort-style pool.spa, clubhouse, fitness center just steps from your home and is conveniently located directly on Tarpon Point Marina, housing vessels to 100 feet, and short stroll to shops, spa and restaurants. A poolside cabana and conveniently located 2-car private garage is included in the price. For more information, review the details below or contact Marilyn Kistler at 239-850-7044.